Hello, my friends. Welcome back to Decor Tricks channel. The kitchen isn't just where meals are made, it's where conversations unfold, memories are shared, and everyday life begins and ends. It's the true heart of the home. So when it comes to design, it deserves just as much attention as any other space, if not more. Whether you're planning a full remodel or just refreshing a few features, the goal is always the same: create a space that feels functional, beautiful, and truly personal. In this video, you'll discover a collection of kitchen design ideas and remodel trends that bring timeless style and thoughtful design into one cohesive vision. These are not passing fads, they're practical, lasting, and effortlessly elegant. Let's take a closer look at the elements that continue to define beautiful kitchens year after year. Open concept kitchens continue to be one of the most loved design choices, and for good reason. By removing walls and visual barriers, the kitchen becomes part of a larger, connected living space. It allows natural light to travel freely, makes the room feel bigger, and encourages more interaction whether you're cooking, entertaining, or just spending time with family. Without those tight boundaries, the kitchen flows into the dining and living areas, creating a space that feels social and open. Using a consistent flooring material, matching color palettes, and streamlined cabinetry helps tie everything together beautifully. The result is a kitchen that feels light, spacious, and truly at the center of it all. Kitchen islands have become more than just extra counter space, they're now the focal point of the entire room. A well-designed island serves multiple roles. It's where prep work happens, meals are shared, and conversations begin. One of the most impactful ways to make an island stand out is by choosing bold materials. Think waterfall countertops in quartz or marble, warm wood accents, or even contrasting cabinetry that adds personality. Some islands include built-in appliances, drawers, or even open shelving for extra function. Adding pendant lights above the island also draws the eye and helps define the space. When thoughtfully designed, a kitchen island can completely elevate the room, visually, practically, and socially. Clean lines and clutter-free surfaces are key to creating a calm, modern kitchen, and that's where seamless cabinetry comes in. Flat front cabinets with minimal or no hardware give the kitchen a sleek, uninterrupted look. Instead of traditional handles, push-to-open mechanisms or discrete edge pulls keep everything smooth and understated. But it's not just about looks. Behind those clean fronts, smart storage solutions are working hard. Pull-out shelves, corner organizers, deep drawers, and hidden compartments and toe kicks all help to maximize every inch. Even small appliances can be tucked away behind lift-up cabinet doors, keeping counters clear without sacrificing convenience. It's a perfect balance of beauty and function, where everything has a place and stays out of sight. A neutral base gives the kitchen a timeless, calming feel, and it's the perfect backdrop for creative expression. Shades like soft white, warm beige, gentle gray, or or creamy taupe create a space that feels open and welcoming. But what really brings a kitchen to life are the bold accents layered on top. Think deep navy cabinets on the island, a pop of emerald green on the lower drawers, or rich gold fixtures that catch the light just right. These bold details add depth and personality without overwhelming the room. The beauty of this approach is flexibility. Accents can be updated over time, while the neutral foundation remains stylish and steady. It's a smart way to mix classic with character. Combining different materials and textures adds instant depth and dimension to a kitchen. It's a subtle way to create visual interest without relying on busy patterns or bright colors. Think of pairing matte cabinets with glossy backsplashes or warm wood tones against cool stone surfaces. A polished countertop next to a textured tile wall brings balance, while open shelving in natural wood breaks up sleek cabinetry with warmth. Even small touches, like brushed metal handles, fluted glass inserts, or leather bar stool cushions, can elevate the feel of the space. Mixing materials thoughtfully creates a layered, sophisticated look that feels curated rather than chaotic. It's all about contrast done right. Maximizing vertical space is one of the smartest moves in kitchen design, especially when storage is a top priority. Floor-to-ceiling cabinetry takes full advantage of every inch, offering a clean, built-in look while eliminating clutter. Upper cabinets can be used to store less frequently used items, while lower sections keep daily essentials within easy reach. Tall pantry units, integrated appliances, and even narrow pull-out columns can all be tucked into this layout without disrupting the flow. For an added touch of style, blending the cabinet finish with the wall color helps everything feel seamless and elegant. It's a practical yet polished way to make the most of the kitchen's footprint. No wasted space, just smart design. Even small kitchens can feel spacious with this approach. The vertical lines also draw the eye upward, making the entire room feel taller and more open. Lighting can completely transform the mood of a kitchen, and the key is layering. Start with ambient lighting, typically overhead fixtures or recessed lights, to create a well-lit foundation. Then add task lighting under cabinets or above counters to make cooking and prep work easier. Finally, bring in accent lighting to add warmth and personality. This could be a row of pendant lights over the island, LED strips tucked into open shelving, or even a statement chandelier in an open concept space. Choosing warm-toned bulbs helps soften the atmosphere and makes the space feel cozy, not clinical. When done right, layered lighting doesn't just brighten the kitchen, it brings it to life, making it feel both functional and welcoming from morning to night. Bringing nature indoors adds a refreshing sense of calm and vitality to the kitchen. Incorporating natural materials like wood, stone, and woven fibers creates warmth and texture that softens sleek surfaces. Indoor plants are an easy way to introduce life and color, whether it's a small herb garden on the windowsill, trailing vines on open shelves, or a larger statement plant in a corner. Not only do plants improve air quality, but they also create a connection to the outdoors that makes the kitchen feel more inviting and balanced. Natural light combined with greenery enhances this effect, turning the kitchen into a bright, uplifting space that's as good for your mood as it is for your meals. Matte and textured finishes have grown increasingly popular for adding subtle sophistication to kitchens. Unlike glossy surfaces, matte finishes offer a soft, understated look that feels modern and elegant without overwhelming the space. They also do a better job at hiding fingerprints and smudges, making maintenance easier. Textured finishes, like brushed metals, hand-applied plaster walls, or textured cabinet panels, introduce tactile interest that invites touch and adds depth. Combining matte surfaces with natural textures creates a balanced, layered aesthetic that's both stylish and practical. These finishes help kitchens feel thoughtfully designed and refreshingly different from the usual high-gloss shine. Backsplashes are the perfect opportunity to add personality without overwhelming the space. Classic materials like subway tiles, natural stone, or simple mosaics remain popular because they never go out of style and work well with a variety of design themes. What sets a backsplash apart is often the detail, whether it's a unique tile pattern, textured grout, or an unexpected color accent that adds subtle charm. Using durable, easy-to-clean materials ensures the backsplash stays beautiful and functional over time. A well-chosen backsplash ties the whole kitchen together, acting as both a practical surface and a design feature that reflects your personal taste. Integrating appliances into the overall kitchen design creates a clean, streamlined look that feels intentional and refined. Instead of letting large appliances dominate the space, many kitchens now feature built-in ovens, panel-ready dishwashers, and concealed refrigerators that blend seamlessly with cabinetry. Even range hoods are being designed as sculptural elements or hidden within custom enclosures. This approach not only enhances the visual flow but also makes the kitchen feel more cohesive and less cluttered. Thoughtful placement of appliances, like positioning microwaves in lower drawers or creating designated coffee stations, also improves function and flow. It's all about merging beauty with practicality in a way that supports everyday living. A beautifully designed kitchen feels even more special when it reflects your personality. Personal touches, like open shelves displaying favorite dishes, framed artwork, vintage finds, or a curated collection of cookbooks, add warmth and character to the space. Decorative lighting fixtures, unique bar stools, or handmade ceramics can serve as subtle statements that make the kitchen feel lived in and loved. Even small details like custom drawer pulls or a colorful rug can have a big impact. These elements turn the kitchen from just a functional area into a cozy, expressive environment. It's a reminder that great design isn't just about trends, it's about making the space feel like your own. Function and style go hand in hand when it comes to choosing the right surfaces in a kitchen. Materials like quartz countertops, porcelain slabs, and high-pressure laminates are gaining popularity for their resilience and easy upkeep. These surfaces resist stains, scratches, and heat, making them ideal for everyday cooking and entertaining. On the flooring side, large format tiles and luxury vinyl offer durability without sacrificing design appeal. Matte finishes and textured surfaces also help hide fingerprints and smudges, cutting down on constant cleaning. The goal is to create a kitchen that looks stunning but can also handle the wear and tear of real life, because a beautiful space should also be a practical one. Designing a kitchen is no longer just about following trends, it's about creating a space that reflects your lifestyle, feels inviting, and functions beautifully day after day. From smart layouts and layered lighting to warm textures and personal details, each element plays a part in shaping a kitchen that's both timeless and tailored. Whether you're starting fresh or planning a remodel, the key is to blend form and function in a way that works for you. Let inspiration guide your choices, but stay true to what makes you feel at home. Because in the end, the best kitchen is the one that feels just right, stylish, smart, and full of life. If you found these kitchen ideas inspiring, don't forget to like the video and share it with someone who's planning a kitchen makeover. For more smart design tips and creative interior inspiration, make sure to subscribe to Decor Tricks and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Let us know in the comments which idea you'd love to try in your own kitchen. We'd love to hear from you.